If you're a chronic overpacker, this video is for you because by the end of it, you are going to know step by step how to pack lightly for your Europe trip, even if you're traveling during the winter time. So here's a little secret. I'm actually flying home to Canada tomorrow. So this is very much a pack with me video, so you can see exactly how I pack my suitcase to maximize space and to also make sure it's not too heavy. So if you're excited for this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and let's hit that cheesy intro. What's up, Smarties? Christina here from happytowonder.com, and today I am going to teach you step by step how to pack light for Europe. But first, I need to channel my inner Oprah and give away a postcard. Every week I give away a postcard to someone who comments, so if you want one, comment below with your favorite tip from this video. A huge congrats to our winner from last week, Erin. Now let's pack. Here's a walkthrough for packing light on your next trip. Step 1, pick your gear. When I'm packing light, I usually travel with these two bags every time. A small Samsonite hardshell case and this classic Herschel backpack. I also have some other essentials that I always pack to keep me organized. If you watched last week's video all about my best packing hacks, you'll know one thing I cannot travel without is a good packing cube. If my goal is to pack light, I'll typically reserve one packing cube for tops, one packing cube for bottoms, a small packing cube for socks, underwear, and bras, as well as a dirty laundry bag and a little garment bag for shoes. For a full packing cube showdown, be sure to subscribe because next week's video will be a detailed breakdown of a bunch of different brands and which ones I like best. Now, to minimize bulk with my liquids, I also have my own toiletry bottles and a handy TSA-approved plastic pouch to keep them all in, as well as a little bag for makeup. Step 2, pick your clothes. Easier said than done. There are a few rules of thumb to follow when your priority is packing light. Rule number 1 is to pack for no more than 1 week at a time, and then do laundry on the road as needed. So, if I'm aiming to be very minimalist, for a winter trip like this one, I'll usually bring 3 long sleeve tops, 2 sleeveless, nice tops, 2 pairs of pants, 7 pairs of underwear, 7 pairs of socks, 1 set of athletic pants and shirt to sleep in, 1 cardigan, 1 thick sweater, 1 pair of thick socks, 2 bras, and a big coat to go over top. You can, of course, pack less underwear or socks if you do laundry consistently. Rule number 2 is to ensure that everything matches, meaning every top should match every bottom, should match every coat, should match every shoe, unless you are packing clothes for a very explicit purpose like working out, which I optimistically will be. A good way to ensure that everything matches is by picking mostly neutral tones, and maybe adding 1 accent color. As I explained in my packing hacks video from last week, planning your outfits well in advance is really important. Rule number 3 is to bring items that are multifunctional or can be dressed up and down. For example, instead of bringing 1 winter coat with no hood, then 1 raincoat for rainy days, consider a warm coat that also has a hood. Another example is instead of a bulky wallet like this, I just bring a small wristlet that fits all my cash and cards, then I use that as a wallet. That way, if I'm going out for the night, I can just use this wristlet as a little clutch sort of thing instead of bringing an entirely different evening bag. Rule number 4 is to pack for layering. I always pack with the expectation that I'll be layering my outfits for warmth. This way, your individual items can be mixed and matched and used for different purposes, rather than just being one very chunky sweater. Step 3 is to actually pack. To start, take a look at your heap of clothes, then take out your heaviest items and plan your travel outfit with these items in mind. I always pick out my travel day outfit in advance and set it aside so I don't accidentally pack anything I really need. It's important that you wear your heaviest items on the plane, of course, to minimize the bulk in your suitcase. Next, take a look at all your stuff and isolate the absolute essentials. Always put every absolute essential in your carry-on purse, backpack, or whatever your smallest carry-on item is, because sometimes they do make you check your bag at the gate when there isn't enough space, even if you have a carry-on size suitcase. Again, I always have 1 packing cube for tops, 1 packing cube for bottoms, 1 for underwear and socks, and I also slip shoes into a garment bag and bring 1 makeup bag and 1 clear bag for my liquids. If I'm checking my bag in, which I will be on this trip since I'm packing light for clothes but bringing a lot of gifts, Then I will also bring a bag filled with an emergency outfit, just in case my checked bag goes missing. After putting everything in our cubes, it's time to stack them up. Pretty much all my clothes will be going in my suitcase, apart from this tiny packing cube with my emergency outfit. I always pack the heavier stuff at the bottom where the wheels are to make sure my suitcase doesn't randomly topple over. Then I put any random bits in, like my hair straightener and my purse. Alright, now zip it all up and that suitcase is good to go. For my backpack, here's how I pack it. I always bring every absolute essential item for me and put it in my backpack, so this includes my camera, laptop, and essential chargers, including a portable one. I always pack bottom to top in terms of what I'll need at the airport, so my emergency outfit goes on the very bottom. Then I put my bag of chargers because I'll need them, but not right away. Then my camera and my bag of liquids, since I'll need to remove them quickly and easily for security. And my laptop, of course, is in its own little pouch at the end because I'll need to bring it up at security as well. Zip it up and we're good to go. I hope you enjoyed packing with me today, Smarties. Again, comment below with your favorite tip for a chance to win next week's postcard. And give me a like if you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys next week for another video. Until then, bye!